Welcome back, my dear students, with Global 5 Unit 6, okay? Myth and Fables. Today, lessons in life, Unit 6. Yes, lesson 4, part 1. Okay, so we have part 2. Student book page 86. Okay, objectives. It means by the end of the lesson, you are expected to learn. Look. To read a story for comprehension. To read a story for comprehension, it means you read it to understand it and answer questions. Number 2, you're going to find out the moral in a story. The moral, it means the lesson you learn after reading the story. For any story you read or you listen to, you get a lesson, a moral lesson or a value. Now, yes, can you think of any proverb? Can you think of any proverb or saying in life? What advice do they give? Look, what is a proverb? It's a short and known saying, okay? Stating a general truth, so it's true for everyone, or it gives you a piece of advice, okay? A bad workman always blames his tools. This is a proverb. A bad workman always blames his tools. Number 2, a bird in hand is worth 2 in the bush. Actions speak louder than words. Okay, you know these proverbs? Yes. If I give you this situation, and he always says, okay, he donate to the charity, and he never does. So I doubt he will this year. So for this situation, read it carefully and tell me which of these proverbs is right for it. And he always says he is, okay, or he'll donate to the charity. And he never does. So I doubt he will do this year. Yes, of course, actions speak louder than words. Now, read this story. We're going to read the story. What is the missing proverb at the end of the story? Think before you speak, or practice makes perfect. So we have 2 proverbs. Think before you speak, or practice makes perfect. So is it A or B? We are going to listen and decide. Okay? Now it's time to start reading. Feathers in the wind. Read and answer my question. Okay, have you finished reading the story? If you haven't finished reading the story, you can stop the video and read it. Read it. Now, story notes. Okay, the story has got 2 characters. You know, what are the characters? It means people or animals in the story. The teacher and the girl. The setting, I mean place and time. What is the place of the story? In the classroom and outside the classroom. Number 3, the problem is, what is the problem in this part? The girl gossips about other people, talks about them. What happens in order to resolve the problem? What happens in order to resolve? It means to answer, to find the answer to this problem. The teacher asked her to go outside, to cut open the cushion and threw out the feathers in the wind. The teacher asked her to bring them back. The resolution, it means the last part of the story, find the answer to the problem. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. So, think before you speak is the moral, the lesson you learn from this story. Now, thank you for watching this short part. Till we meet you again in a nice part. Goodbye.